The world is at a turning point. Climate change, urban growth, and resource scarcity are reshaping our future. The next generation of engineers must rise to these challenges, and it is educators who will prepare them to lead. That's why in 2022, Quanser launched the Global Sustainability Award in partnership with IFEES and GEDC, a movement that celebrates engineering educators who inspire students to innovate, collaborate, and solve real-world sustainability problems.
It's such an honor and a pleasure to be part of the Quanser Global Sustainability Award Committee, because this award seeks to encourage and recognize the stellar efforts being made to support sustainable engineering methods in engineering education. We all agree when the principles of environmental and social sustainability are integrated into engineering education and become a core tenet of the engineering profession, we can overcome humanity's greatest challenges.
Sustainability in engineering education is about values, system thinking, long-term impact. We need to prepare our students for the challenges of the present and the future.
The award is more than recognition. It highlights how educators integrate sustainability into their teaching, transforming classrooms into spaces where knowledge becomes action and innovation creates impact. Since its inception, the award has brought together educators and students from across the globe. Their projects span renewable energy, sustainable infrastructure.
Society is concerned and is asking for more sustainable solutions. IFEES SUSE and G focuses mostly on sustainable packaging, design, and engineering. Through this course, students could then glance at the real impact that the solution would have on our society and on our planet.
So the focus of this initiative was geared towards more circular value chains in building materials. So in other words, how can we improve sustainability in the built environment and reduce embodied carbon of building structures by essentially selectively deconstructing and reusing building elements, as opposed to continuously stocking our built environment with raw building material.
Get to sustainable outcomes, true collaboration on the design phase is absolutely necessary. So for us, the impact is about the next 100 years and changing our core education practices to produce people that are capable of taking care of this future. In today's interconnected world, engineering goes beyond technical excellence. It's about making a meaningful impact in the society and contributing to the sustainable development goals.
Sustainable Systems Engineering is a program that will give students the tools to model, design, build, invent systems that take into consideration the needs of all people within the means of the planet. So students will take design courses all the way from first to fourth year. What they learn in those courses is how to design for what's called a circular economy. So how can we start to design for things like disassembly, design for reuse.
The Quanser Global Sustainability Award is not just a competition, it is a movement, one that strengthens engineering education, empowers educators, and inspires students to use their skills to shape a sustainable future.